behold, a 66 Impala wagon, 327 4-barrel car. This car sat over in Eastern Washington since like 1987. I bought it April of 2024. Pontiac Dave and I, rest in peace, my guy. Went through the brakes, fuel system, all that good stuff to get its daily driver status. There's my other wagon, my 75 Caprice Estate. That's gonna get a brake booster and back on the road here soon. But yeah, it's got the perfect patina. I actually ordered these clips right here so I can put the trim back on it. I've been literally daily driving this car since January, sometime in January, when my dually took a crap. So I think I'll take you on a little trip with me today. Today is not a fun day. Well, every day above ground is a fun day, so take that back. But today is tax day. And yes, I know you're thinking, but it's June. Yeah, but I got taxes to catch up on in here. Somebody stole my identity in 2022. Everybody wants to be me. I know. So I'm getting that squared away now. Just got my letter from the IRS saying, yes, we believe you. And yeah, so I can file my back taxes because I found the house that I want. Tired of this renting situation. More on that later on. But yeah, so go run around, run to the store real quick, and then go get my taxes done. Oh, also, yeah, when you daily drive something like this, it's not without its nuances, whatever you want to call it. Yeah, so the windshield leaks, and that's why I have this giant bucket in here. So I will get a new window put in here. I just haven't done it yet. Got a quote on it. But so when it rains, the window leaks up here and it drips conveniently directly down in there. So I leave it over there and I dump it out in the morning. You guys ain't about this life. So let's start this bad boy up. A couple pumps of the petrol pedal. And okay, it didn't like that. There we go. So we'll get this warmed up. I will order an interior kit and put the interior, well, fix the interior. But as of right now, at least in my words, I'm gonna just keep driving it. I've been all over the world in this car, all kind of car shows so far. Today is what, June? What is today? June 22nd. So we'll go run to the store and then we'll do our taxes and maybe we'll end up at the shop later. Sounded pretty good, right? Okay. So a few things I never leave home without. My all-around jump box. Never know when you might need to jump a car, put some air in it, charge your phone, and then a Bluetooth speaker. So yeah, sounds pretty good, huh? Still gotta put some exhaust on it, but not bad. Not bad at all. Seat. Of course, I have tools in the very back. There we go. Back down to idle. Get some tunes cranking. Let's pick up at the stove. We got in our playlist. Look at this. Hop out the car. You gotta be quicker than that to ruin my day. So, yeah. One thing good about riding a classic is you never get lost in the crowd. We'll get some stuff. was painless. Let's go. Daily driver classic, you notice everything about it. You notice that sweet smell of antifreeze on your floorboard when your heater core goes out. You know, when you're driving, you're like, ooh, my carburetor ain't opened up all the way. Or I got an exhaust leak, or I hear a ticking sound. I think one of my spark plug wires is laying on my headers. You know, but it's the life, man. You know, when you got an exhaust leak, you can get an exhaust in the vehicle because your muffler didn't explode because it's like 40 years old. You realize all that stuff. So, yeah, it's the life, man. It ain't for everybody. Don't be that. Get out my way. Antisocial and drive a classic car. I mean, you can, but you're just gonna ride around irritated when people ask you about it. So everywhere you go, especially in a wagon, people love a wagon. I get more people asking me about my wagon. They'll stop me and talk to me about my wagon than I do if I'm driving anything else. My Chevelle, any other car. Everybody grew up in a wagon. Everybody can relate to a wagon more than, you know, a muscle car. So you can't be a jerk drive a classic car. I don't want to be bothered. I don't want to be talked to. Yes, you do. But you would be driving that time machine.